After applying for postgraduate study. Have you applied for a postgraduate taught degree at City, University of London and want to know what happens next? Here is a quick guide on what to expect. Receiving a response. It normally takes between 2 and 6 weeks for your application to be reviewed. You will then be notified of one of the following outcomes. Unconditional offer. You have met all the entry requirements and we have reserved you a place on your chosen course. Conditional offer. You have been offered a place on the course, providing that you meet certain requirements. Interview or selection day. You are invited to attend an interview before a final decision is made. Unsuccessful. You do not meet the entry requirements and unfortunately, we are unable to offer you a place. Responding to your offer. If your application is successful, you will receive your offer letter via email. This will include instructions on your next steps, such as how to access the online portal to accept or reject your offer, and how to pay your deposit if your intended course requires it to secure your place. You will need to complete both steps before the deadline stated in your offer letter. Paying your fees. For most of our postgraduate courses, you will be asked to pay a non-refundable deposit to secure your place after receiving an offer. This can be paid online and will be deducted from your overall tuition fees. Tuition fees can be paid in full at registration or in 2 instalments. You can use our Scholarships and Bursaries Finder to search for funding support. Registering as a student. To become a fully registered student, you will need to complete a 2-stage registration process. 1. Online registration. Once online registration has opened and you have met all the conditions of your offer, you will receive an email from us inviting you to register for your course. You will also be prompted to pay your fees. Registration normally opens ahead of your course start date. For example, in August for the September intake and December for courses with a January entry. 2. Verification of your identity and eligibility to study. After registering, you will be asked to provide your documents so that we can verify your identity and ensure you are eligible to study in the UK. Starting your course. We will be in touch regularly ahead of the start of your course to help you prepare for studying at City. Induction, also known as Welcome Week, normally takes place in late September and is a great opportunity to meet staff and fellow students. Teaching usually begins the week after induction. Please note that some courses have an earlier start date and further details will be shared with you in advance. Need more help? For more information, please visit our website and don't forget that our admissions team are here to help if you have any questions about your application.